How to return items on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to return items on Shein. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Shein account and just log into your account using your credentials and click on the profile section from the top right corner, and from there just simply go to my orders. Just log into your account if you haven't logged in already, and under the my order section you will be able to see all the list of items that you have ordered in the past. In my case, I haven't ordered anything from Shein as of now. That is why my order section looks empty. But if you have ordered that you have placed in the past and you have received them, you will be able to see all the list right here. And in order to return the parcel that you have received in the past, all you have to do is just simply check the return date of that particular product. And because sometimes products have return for 2 days, 3 days, or even 7 days, so make sure that you have not expired the return date of that particular product that you have purchased. And once you are in that criteria, all you have to do is just simply click on the customer service section from the top right corner, and over there just simply start the conversation with the customer executive and explain them that you want to return a parcel, and the Shein customer team will reach out to you and help you regarding returning that particular parcel. You have to provide the item details like the order number and the article number and everything, and your parcel will be returned in few days, and you will receive the money and the amount in your bank account directly. So this is basically how you will be able to return Shein items. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.